again, something I know all too well. And I fear I might have broken a promise I made to myself. Seems I can hang over the edge and keep my feet down on the floor. And I know I can't let you in, 'cause my hand's against the door. I can't love you when I'm sober, with nowhere to place the blame. And when the light shines through the window, a dirty inside still remains. I can't love you when I'm sober, when you're lying next to me. But something's got you holding on, holding on, holding on to me. There's not a time that I've been perfect, and not a time that you were wrong. If I can't feel today, how should I live tomorrow? And this is the only way the world sees through a bottle. And I see behind that pretty face, you don't know me. I can't love you when I'm sober, with nowhere to place the blame. And when the light shines through the window, a dirty inside still remains. I can't love you when I'm sober, when you're lying next to me. But something's got you holding on, holding on, holding on, to something that'll never be, to something that'll never. Life under the influence is all I know and all I see. Life under the influence is taking over me. Life under the influence is all I know and all I see. And I'm drowning in the water, 'cause the hook is in too deep, in too deep.
Hallo Moto!
And I can't love you when I'm sober, with nowhere to place the blame. And when the light shines through the window, a dirty inside still remains. I can't love you when I'm sober, when you're lying next to me. But something's got you holding on to me. I can't love you when I'm sober, with nowhere to place the blame. And when the light shines through the window, a dirty inside still remains. I can't love you when I'm sober, when you're lying next to me. But something's got you holding on.
Okay, deine auch. Perfekt.
Know a lot of artists who don't like to bring it to light, and I'm included in that. I ain't saying it's right, but it's been pushed out. The news don't look like change happened soon. Donald Trump is all that they talk about. I'm tired of it too. They only talk about racism when the city's burning up, when cops are getting shot, and when the shooters getting caught. Peaceful protests rarely get a mention. Y'all invented this could be prevented. Y'all sensationalize the violence just to get a check. And what's the message? Only getting heard when you draw the weapon. You wonder why these people getting hurt. You ain't learned your lesson. Interview yourselves, god damn it, that might answer questions. Look at how you rep it, what's projected. Fuck you Fox News, y'all won't ever get it. So I gotta step in, white man from the 307, telling y'all I'm fed up with.
When I woke up this morning and the haters were up on me, I just told them stay up out of my way, because I got a real bad temper. It's the middle of September, I don't think you wanna catch my case. Man, if you do so much, just touch me, then it's bound to get ugly. Where police still end up all in my face. So to eliminate the problem, I pop a bottle, then get outside and out and have a nice day.
Watch your bros, know, so never relate to that. Might get pulled over, they check my ID and hit the gas. All these divisions, race, religion, economic class. How are we free till realities can overlap? I know what it's like to live round dollars on dollars. And I know what it's like to see that money get smaller. And I know what it's like to live with and without God. But I'll never know life at systematical odds. Fucked how the system has played with all of our minds. Wish that we could see each other through a child's eyes. No prejudice instilled, manipulation of the will. One world, under one sun, over one race that is human. We fight amongst ourselves like, what the hell are we doing? Shit is so outlandish while we fucking up the planet. Fighting over someone's color while our planet's in the red. A miracle in a sunbeam, yeah, y'all know what I've said.
When I woke up this morning and the haters were up on me, I just told them stay up out of my way. Because I got a real bad temper, it's the middle of September. I don't think you wanna catch my case. And if you do so much as touch me, then it's bound to get ugly where police gon' end up all in my face. So, to eliminate the problem, I pop a bottle, then yell out sayonara and have a nice day. When I woke up this morning and the haters were up on me, I just told them stay up out of my way. Because I got a real bad temper, it's the middle of September. I don't think you wanna catch my case. Man, if you do so much as touch me, then it's bound to get ugly where police gon' end up all in my face. So, to eliminate the problem, I pop a bottle, then yell out sayonara and have a nice day.
Fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.